Welcome back, VST here, Galaxy S23 guys. Today I'm going to show something that is, I believe, rather interesting, and I don't believe it has enough coverage on the internet. So here, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, that's what we're going to need. Also, we're going to need a charger that is able to output HDMI. In my case, I'm using the AceFast charger, GAN charger PD1 provided to me some time ago by AceFast. And also, of course, guys, we're going to need USB cable connected to a big screen, and of course we're gonna need a USB-C to USB-C that will fit in here the charger, guys. And you might scratch your head and ask yourself, why is VST showing us all of this? Okay guys, sub for the channel, like the video, buckle up and let's start. I'm bringing out the big guys, so yeah, we're gonna be doing some Ridley Scott things here, so I'm gonna need to put my big tripod here, guys, for this test. Don't quit the video yet, I promise, guys, it's gonna be very interesting, and I'm gonna show you something that, yeah, like I told you, I don't believe it's covered enough, and I do believe this is really insane what you're able to do with Samsung. All right, guys, the setup is almost connected as we speak. Let me just show you, guys. So, what is the setup, guys? I got a big tripod, I got a smart tripod, I got an S23 Ultra, I got a PD charger with the HDMI and the USB-C, but forget about this, just keep watching. I'm now connecting my GAN charger to the electricity, connecting the HDMI cable to the GAN charger that is also connected to this big screen here, guys. So let me show you. And I am also connecting the USB-C to my charger. And of course, I am taking the end of the cable and put it here on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. All right, let's keep watching. So that's the scene right there. The S23 Ultra is now connected to the AceFast GAN charger, but also to HDMI to this monitor. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna switch to what I see is on the HDMI. Okay, that's not a miracle there, right? Because right now I'm just using here this very nice AceFast GAN charger to output this on the screen. So right now what we see is just no surprise whatsoever. But see here, guys, when I open the camera, yeah, I'm able to do a real feed on the camera. You can just see, right? And I'm not yet there, guys. See, I do a picture, everything works. I can do a video, everything works. But you see all the time, guys, I have the camera menu as an overlay there, which can be distracting. But now the fun starts here. I'm gonna go inside the camera settings, guys. I'm gonna scroll down to the camera assistant, which I believe is one of the best things that Samsung could do for our phones. Scroll down, guys, and there is something called Clean Preview on HDMI displays. Show the camera preview without settings or buttons on HDMI connected displays. What happens when I toggle this one and I go back to my camera, guys? Boom. It's a wonder, guys. Right now, you see I don't have any destructive things here on the output of the screen, which means that I can now use my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra as an external monitor device. So imagine the possibilities, guys. I'm gonna show you I can also flip the camera like this. It really works in real time, and this feature is really cool. I do believe that also Sir Ridley Scott used this when he filmed the Beyond movie on the S23 Ultra, right? It's absolutely batshit crazy. It is insane, and this is such a small thing that adds really a lot of value, specifically when you are in video production, just because it will not obscure your view. And of course, just for the sake of the comparison, I'm gonna go back one more time to my camera assistant, guys. I'm going to remove the clean preview feature and then just show you one more time. So imagine going from this, right, that totally obscures your view and you're almost not able to see really things right, because we have the shutter button, you have the menu. Now I'm gonna turn it off, guys. I'm gonna go back to my camera, and this is why I believe Samsung really is the king in these things. They are providing so much customization to us, right? But not only customization, this is real functionality that you can use if you are in video production. And yeah, you shoot amateur videos like I do. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If that's the case, guys, sub for the channel before my phone falls and destroys itself. And VST over and bye.